Special circulations in cardiovascular physiology, exploring the unique adaptations of vital organ blood supply. Welcome to today's podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of special circulations within cardiovascular physiology. These are the regional vascular beds that possess unique anatomical and functional adaptations. Such adaptations allow them to override the general principles of systemic blood flow, ensuring that vital organs receive the precise supply they need to perform their critical roles. The core principle: regional heterogeneity. Although the body's overall circulation operates under broad principles, such as mean arterial pressure being a product of cardiac output and total peripheral resistance, certain organs require specialized systems. These beds are equipped with mechanisms for autoregulation, which helps maintain constant blood flow regardless of pressure changes, and possess unique capillary structures to optimize the exchange of nutrients and gases. Key special circulations. Our journey through special circulations will cover the following vital regions: the brain, known as cerebral circulation; the heart muscle, referred to as coronary circulation; the gastrointestinal tract and liver, described as splanchnic circulation; the kidneys, identified as renal circulation; the lungs, categorized as pulmonary circulation; the skin, called cutaneous circulation, cerebral circulation; the protected supply. The primary function of cerebral circulation is to ensure a constant, uninterrupted supply of oxygen and glucose to the brain. Despite comprising only a small fraction of body weight, the brain receives a sizable portion of cardiac output because of its high metabolic activity and limited fuel reserves. This circulation features powerful autoregulation, maintaining steady blood flow across a wide range of arterial pressures. Arterioles adjust their diameter in response to pressure changes, while substances like carbon dioxide, hydrogen ions, and adenosine produced during neuronal activity induce vasodilation. Of these, carbon dioxide plays the most significant role. A hallmark of cerebral circulation is the blood-brain barrier, which consists of tight junctions between endothelial cells in the capillaries. This barrier restricts the passage of many substances, protecting neural tissue from toxins and fluctuations in blood composition. Cerebral vessels exhibit limited response to sympathetic nerve stimulation, ensuring that blood supply to the brain is preserved even during stress. In situations of increased intracranial pressure, the Cushing reflex triggers a robust sympathetic response to elevate arterial pressure, helping to maintain cerebral perfusion. Coronary circulation. The heart muscle's lifeline. The coronary circulation is responsible for supplying blood to the myocardium, which has the highest oxygen consumption per gram in the body. One notable feature is the phasic nature of coronary blood flow, which occurs predominantly during the relaxation phase of the heartbeat. When the heart contracts, the muscle compresses the coronary arteries, greatly reducing blood flow. As a result, a rapid heart rate can compromise coronary filling and oxygen delivery. The heart muscle extracts a substantial portion of oxygen from the blood at rest, so any increase in demand must be met by increasing blood flow rather than extraction. The regulation of coronary circulation is heavily influenced by local metabolic activity, with adenosine, a byproduct of energy metabolism, acting as a potent vasodilator. Hypoxia and elevated carbon dioxide levels also promote vasodilation, while autoregulation ensures stable flow within a wide range of arterial pressures. Splanchnic circulation. Digestive and metabolic supply. Splanchnic circulation serves the gastrointestinal tract and the liver, supporting digestion and metabolism. At rest, it receives a significant portion of cardiac output, and its veins can constrict powerfully to mobilize blood during emergencies such as hemorrhage or physical exertion. This region features the hepatic portal system, a dual capillary network. Blood travels through capillaries in the digestive organs and spleen to absorb nutrients, then passes through liver sinusoids for processing before entering the general circulation. Strong sympathetic innervation allows for intense vasoconstriction, redirecting blood from the digestive organs to more vital areas during stress. After a meal, blood flow to the gastrointestinal tract increases to facilitate secretion and absorption, a process regulated by local metabolic factors and hormones. Renal circulation. Filtration and regulation. Renal circulation is designed to provide high blood flow for filtration, waste removal, and the regulation of extracellular fluid balance. The kidneys receive a disproportionately large share of cardiac output, far beyond their metabolic needs. To ensure efficient filtration, autoregulation in the kidneys is remarkably effective. maintaining a constant filtration rate over a broad range of arterial pressures. This is achieved through myogenic mechanisms and tubuloglomerular feedback, where sensors in the nephron adjust vessel diameter based on the concentration of sodium chloride. Hormonal regulation also plays a role. Sympathetic stimulation and the hormone angiotensin II cause constriction, especially of the vessels leaving the glomerulus, to preserve filtration when blood volume is low. In contrast, atrial natriuretic peptide promotes vasodilation to increase filtration and facilitate the excretion of salt and water. Pulmonary circulation. The gas exchange highway. Pulmonary circulation delivers blood to the alveoli in the lungs for the exchange of gases. This system operates under low pressure and resistance, and the arteries are highly distensible with minimal smooth muscle. One of its unique features is hypoxic pulmonary vasoconstriction, where areas of low oxygen in the lungs cause nearby vessels to constrict. This mechanism diverts blood from poorly ventilated regions to areas where gas exchange is more efficient, promoting optimal oxygen uptake. Unlike other circulations, hypoxia leads to vasoconstriction rather than dilation. The entire cardiac output passes through the pulmonary vessels, which can expand to accommodate increased flow during exercise with minimal pressure increases. Cutaneous circulation. Thermoregulation and skin nutrition. The primary function of cutaneous circulation is to regulate body temperature, with a secondary role in supplying nutrients to the skin. It is distinguished by the presence of arteriovenous anastomoses, which are direct connections between small arteries and veins that bypass capillaries. These structures are heavily influenced by sympathetic nerves. Thermoregulation is achieved by altering blood flow to the skin. When the body needs to conserve heat, sympathetic stimulation causes vasoconstriction, reducing skin blood flow. Conversely, when heat needs to be dissipated, sympathetic activity decreases, resulting in intense vasodilation and a significant increase in skin blood flow. Compared to other special circulations, metabolic control is relatively weak in the skin. In summary, the study of special circulations reveals the remarkable adaptability of the cardiovascular system. Each vital organ is equipped with a vascular bed tailored to its unique demands, ensuring that blood flow is fine-tuned to support the body's complex and competing needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy our content, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. It's the Everything Surgery Podcast. Dissect the extraordinary.